Financial education is the bridge that connects dreams to reality, turning aspirations into achievable goals. Picture yourself standing on the brink of a new horizon, where the power of knowledge will help you command your financial destiny. You have the power to rewrite your financial story. It's not about the size of your wallet. It's about the strength of your mindset. With the right education, you can conquer the financial world. Welcome to AJ's Info, the place where you build career and reach new heights of success. Subscribe the channel to join the wealth building community. Let's get started. Countless financial decisions lead to losses, not due to inherent risks, but rather due to the absence of financial knowledge. Financial education is not about numbers, it's about understanding. It's about learning the language of money. Once you understand this language, you can speak it fluently and use it to build a fortress of wealth and security. Money is not just currency, it's a tool that can build empires or cause ruin. The difference lies in how you wield it. With financial education, you can learn to control this tool, not let it control you. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. It's about making your money work for you. But how? With the right knowledge, you can turn your pennies into a fortune, your wages into wealth. Now you will ask, what is right financial knowledge? Financial education refers to a variety of important financial skills and concepts. Let's see the list. Budgeting, saving and investing, debt management, financial goal setting, understanding credit, insurance and risk management, tax planning, financial institutions, economic literacy, investment risk and diversification, long-term financial planning and retirement planning. There are much more, but these are the key ones. Why everyone should learn about financial education. Every financial decision you make, every dollar you spend, is a reflection of who you are. It's a reflection of your values, your goals, your dreams. Financial education helps align these reflections with your true self, setting you on the path to abundance. Leverage is power. In finance, it's the ability to use something small to control something big. It's the key to multiplying your wealth. By understanding leverage, you can unlock the door to financial freedom. Investing is not gambling. It's a calculated risk based on knowledge and understanding. Investing is the art of planting seeds today to reap the fruits of tomorrow. It's a journey of patience, knowledge, and foresight. With the right financial education, you can make smart investments that will grow your wealth and secure your future. Now let's talk about debt. Debt is not always a demon. It can be an angel in disguise. It can be a stepping stone to wealth. Debt is a double-edged sword in the world of finance. By understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt, you can make debt work for you, not against you. Financial education gives you the power to shape your destiny. It's the key to financial freedom. It's the tool that helps you build a life of abundance, security, and prosperity. It's the compass that guides you on your journey to achieving your financial dreams. Empower yourself with knowledge. Your wallet will thank you. Your future self will thank you. Remember, you are not just learning for yourself. You are learning for your family, for your future, for a better life. You have the power to transform your financial future. The first step is to get your mind right. Let's embark on this journey together. A journey of financial education, a journey towards financial freedom. On this channel, we provide you the knowledge to unlocking the secrets of wealth accumulation, offering you invaluable insights and strategies to turbocharge your financial growth. Subscribe now to embark on your journey to prosperity. We hope you found value in this video. Don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your loved ones. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.